Every great trip starts with, I know. I love mozzarella and carrozza. Shall we sit here? Next stop, Treviso, if I don't fall asleep. Did they fix the underground? Yeah, they did. I think now me and the bus I'm waiting for, we are in a long time relationship. Crazy jam, crazy jam. Here it comes, our Airlink. Yay. Bringing Italian vibes to British weather. Wish me good luck finding sunshine. London, Hackney. Tonight, my man Rap Sanders spinning the records. This is a, well, living proof that legends don't age, they just switch to deeper grooves. I feel it in the air. The smell of vinyl, half nostalgia, half happiness, pure happiness. I should bottle it as a perfume. Almost there, almost there. Fonica. You never leave disappointed, Fonica. And my man Luther Vine. And Luther always manages to hook me up with amazing gems. Thank you, Luther. Do you need a new pair of braces?
Braces?
Yeah.
Because they do? They do
Yeah,
that?
with the bling bling and all.
With the bling bling, do you need it?
You want to check it out?
Want it? Eh?
Ricky, London Underground. The only place where bass lines arrive every 2 minutes right on schedule. And now I'm going to meet Stephen Bunn, aka Bunny, at Studio 54, where the magic happens, or as we say, where we're gonna spend the next 3 hours checking which snare feels more emotional.
That's weird.
Just
Look at this.
I love this stuff. Yeah, always nice to catch up with Steven. Great times, and thank you, Steven. New releases of BDQ Records. If you don't know the projects, check it out.
Change here for Circle District Line.
Ready to party for Serena's birthday. When the music hits, the jet lag quits. 90s night, 90s outfit. Huh? Red pill or blue pill? Oh, #1 hit. Celebrating my sister-in-law's birthday and in a 90s bar. Boss tune. Dope music selection. I love it. You know this track?
No. I don't.
Legend.
Sorry.
All right. Birthday girl.
Don't know what to do.
I want to push this.
No, can't you?
Team up and running. London, you've been a vibe. Next time, same beat. Next trip. See you.